Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri. Welcome on a YouTube channel about sound deadening stuff. Today we're gonna work with a Volkswagen transporter from Germany. Customer has come to me with a problem that it's too noisy when he's driving, so he would like to sleep inside. So we would cover not only with the first layer vibration damping, we would also cover with a hidden sound insulation. In the scope we have today a roof, we have a floor, and we have the doors. Let's go. But before we proceed further, let's first of all measure what is the sound noise right now. I would use this sound digital vibration speaker and this one sound digital meter to understand and compare the result before and after. I will use this one vibration speaker with the white noise, which is included in this speaker, and we'll attach it to the surface and measure with this digital meter what the noise volume is. So as you can see on the manufacturer, this car was installed a piece of sound deadening stuff, but it is installed only on this side, and it's definitely not enough. Even like this you can hear, that there is a noise. And when your car is running and driving, all these noises are coming inside the cabin, and there is an effect that all waves, they are intersected with each other. That's why, this car would be too noisy, and we would install the first layer on the whole this area for vibration damping. The second layer would be hidden sound insulation. So when the waves will start coming outside, the first vibration layer will prevent from low frequency noise, and the second heat and sound insulation will prevent from the middle and high frequency noise. So before we proceed, we should disassemble everything and prepare the surface properly to install all materials. This step is really important because when you're installing your sound vibration stuff, or the second layer or the first layer, if you don't prepare the surface, if you don't clean it, the material will not apply properly, and the result, it will not work as it should be, or even worse, the water might start appearing between these bubbles. So that's why this step is really important. I should take care about this. Let's go. So as you can see, in our case we have default sound vibration deadening here that was installed in the manufacturer. Sometimes it is required to remove it, sometimes not. In this case it's pretty new. The adhesion is pretty high, it's not old, so we will apply the new one on top of it. But once again, we have to properly prepare the surface by removing all oil and silicones. In my case, I would use firstly heat gun to pre-warm the surface so it would stick more stronger rather than without. And also you have to read the technical data sheet about the material, from what temperature it can be applied with heat gun or without. Besides, it is really extremely important to use a roller. The metal one is the best one, I would say, to proper apply the material. Otherwise, this material vibration damping will just not work. As a second layer, after vibration insulation, I will install heat and sound second layer insulation. This one was made by CarBuilders in Australia. It's 10mm foam based. It has an adhesion layer there, but it is required also to prepare the surface before an installation. I will use still the same isopropyl alcohol stuff to remove all oils, everything, you know, which is not necessary for installation, and we'll later on apply it at the second layer. So the one would be more insulated inside, the heat will stay longer inside and cool through the summer air when you're running, using your air conditioning, and through the winter when you're using your heat wave. So this is it. Another one was covered by me with the sound deadening stuff. So you saw that first of all I did the roof with a second layer, vibration insulation, vibration damping. The second layer was sound and heat isolation by CarBuilders. It's a 10mm, so it will, this combination with the two layers will prevent low frequency noise and high frequency noise, and on top of that, through the summer and cold winter, for example in Tasmania, it will prevent from cold getting inside. So I did the floor, front and rear arcs. This is the topmost noise components in the car, where all noises are coming from the running wheels, from the road, from the asphalt. So that's why it's extremely important to concentrate attention on these areas. So it was done. You saw this. If you need soundproofing stuff, just call me, subscribe, please like, and see you in the next videos.